name is Lindiwe Zulu. I'm a Minister of Social Development. It's an absolute pleasure for me to have been in Qwaqwa today, visiting centers that are being supported by the Department of Social Development, both at national, provincial, and local government. We visited the Thabo Mofutsanyana Secure Care Center, where we were able to have an appreciation and an understanding of the life of children who are in conflict with the law. We also went to Tekoloholeng Welfare Center, and again there we found children. We also went to Leratong Child and Youth Care Center, and again, I repeat it, seeing such tiny little children being in a center, it's something that we need to do to help and support the children. But my view is that children as small as 1 year, as small as 6 months, shouldn't be in any centers. Children should be in families. Children should be taken care of by their parents. Children should be somewhere else other than in centers of conflict with the law. But of course, as a responsibility of the state, it is important for us, where there are challenges, we must be able to take care of the children. We also went to the old age home. Even there, we left some things for the elderly people, but we couldn't come closer to them because, you know, the elderly are the most vulnerable at this time. I think that in all the places we went to, there are challenges, including here where we are, where there's this distribution of food. We are also looking at the packaging. What is in the food parcel, number one? How nutritious is the food that's in the food parcel? We still have to continue having those conversations. But also it's about the distribution of that food. We just need to make sure that the food goes to the people who need it most. We don't want the churches to have given us food only to hear from the communities that there were some favors that were being done somewhere around food. This food here is supposed to go to the most needy of our communities. We are here at this ADRA center. This is a warehouse where the food is brought here, is packaged here, and then it's distributed to the communities. What I think is very important here for me is what is written here. Support to households and communities in food production and consumption of nutritious, diverse food. When it comes to hunger, poverty, inequality, and unemployment, it is not just a political problem. It is about a challenge that is facing our people, what we call the felt needs of our people.